Hi everyone! Welcome to my first video for the month of December. I hope you are all being safe, healthy, and of course, happy. And now you would see, look at my background and me. I'm wearing my uniform because yes, I'm here at my school where I'm teaching and dito kasi sa classroom. You would see the blackboard, the teacher's table, and take a look. Yan, some of the equipments that we have here to teach the skills to the students and their cabinets, kung saan nakastore yung mga realia na ginagamit namin. And then, other equipments, teacher's table. Okay? Actually, I'm here in a classroom because this has something to do to the video I'm going to share to you in this day. So, I hope you would stay tuned and keep on watching. So once again, good morning. I hope you're having a nice day. As I have said in my introduction, I'll be sharing to you, or my sharing to you in this video has something to do with the word classroom. So last Sunday, we already have our first ever lecture with our course facilitator in the subject educational models, paradigms, and procedures. And our task in this video is to share to you our image of Filipino classroom. So that is what you're going to watch in this video. What is my personal image of a Filipino classroom? In this video, let me share to you my idea of the Filipino classroom into these 3 words. Number 1, engaging. Number 2, collaborative. And number 3, there is an authority. So the first word I have given to describe a Filipino classroom is engaging. So for me, a Filipino classroom is engaging wherein it is a place wherein you could find a lot of things, wherein it could arouse the interest of the students, their curiosity for learning would be ignited. It's like when they enter in that place, they would see a lot of things that would make them ask questions to themselves. How these things work? How can I use this? How do I use these things? So that is what I mean with engaging. So that is a Filipino classroom for me. Like for example, the TLE laboratory we have here. There are a lot of tools and equipment as you could see. And if it is the first of the students to enter here, some of them would ask, para saan to? Paano to ginagamit? And from those questions, their interest for learning is being ignited. So meaning there is already an engagement that is happening. So they are already engaged in that classroom, that they are being curious and willing to learn how these things inside this room works. A Filipino classroom is collaborative. What I mean in this one is that when you enter a Filipino classroom, you would feel the environment of cooperation and teamwork. That the teaching and learning process is not an individual activity, but rather a teamwork, a collaborative process, wherein the school is a place wherein the students and teachers could sit together like this and they could freely exchange their ideas, their opinion, and from that exchange, they could verify if their learning, if their idea or opinion is relevant or correct. Okay? This collaborative process for me happens among the teachers and the students. So that is what I mean by Filipino classroom is collaborative. Lastly, a Filipino classroom has authority. The authority I'm talking about in this one is not the authoritarian military type of authority, but rather the manager. Okay? The manager of the classroom. A classroom won't be completed if there is no manager, if there is no facilitator. And that authority is the teacher. Okay, a Filipino classroom won't be completed without a teacher who serves as the authority, the manager, and facilitator of that classroom. Wherein, or he or she is the one who directs the activities, the behavior, or manages the behavior of the students inside that Filipino classroom. So those three things that I have shared to you about the Filipino classroom, which include engaging, collaborative, and there is an authority, that is my image of Filipino classroom. It is not about the structures itself, how many chairs are there, what is the color of the floor, and whatsoever, but rather it is more of the environment you can find in that classroom. And that is for me an image of a Filipino classroom. I hope you have learned something from my sharing, and thank you for watching this video.